Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can contact MoonPay support. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, open your MoonPay application, and from here make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here you can get to the home page and you can see the settings icon right here. Tap on it. After doing that, here you can see the option of help. Tap on help and then tap on support center. After doing that, you'll be taken to the support.moonpay.com link, and from here you can scroll down. You can see the option of contact us right here. Simply tap on contact us. And then again, you will be taken to the another link, and from here you can scroll down. You can see their mailing address right here. You can also see their phone number. So this is their corporate phone number and this is their support phone number. So if you want to complain any of their issues, you can call on their support line right here, and you can also see the timing that they have given, and just like this you'll be able to contact to MoonPay support. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.